math friends. Today we're going to talk about how you calculate the area of a sector. And to do that, we're going to look at a little word problem because everyone loves word problems. So pizza. Who wouldn't like a great slice of pizza? You are looking for a good deal for lunch. Rocco's Pizza offers one slice of pizza from a 20-inch pizza that's cut into 8 slices for $4. Riley's Pizza offers 2 slices of pizza from an 8-inch pizza that is also cut into 8 slices for $4. Which place should you have lunch? So a few things. They both have 8 slices. Okay, so we know that. We can use that to kind of draw a picture of our 2 pizzas. So both of them are divided up into 8 slices. Pretty nice. And over here, the other pizza also has 8 slices. And both of them you're going to pay $4. $4. So the price is the same. Here it says you're talking about a 20-inch pizza. That tells me that the diameter here, this, is 20 inches. And over here, it's an 8-inch pizza, so the diameter is 8 inches. Now the difference is in the 8-inch pizza, you get to have 2 slices. And in the 20-inch pizza, you just have 1. So how can I do this comparison? Because although this is 2 and this is 1, this has a much smaller diameter. So the way I can look at it is kind of say, well, how big is the area of this slice? How much pizza am I really getting? And what is the area of these 2 slices? So the first thing I'm going to do is find the total area of the circle. And remember, the area of a circle is calculated by pi r squared. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say 3.14 times my radius. In this case, if my diameter is 20, my radius would be 10 times 10 squared. I go ahead and finish that off. It's going to be 3.14 times 100, which is going to be 314 inches squared. Now that would be in the whole pizza, but you have to remember you only get 1 slice, right? So 1 slice, it's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have to divide my 314 inches by, 8, for the 8 slices. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my calculator, and take my 314 divided by 8. And I get 39.25 inches squared of pizza is what I get in the 20-inch pizza. Remember, 1 piece. Now let's check it out over here. So same idea, I'm still going to use my A equals pi r squared. And I take my 3.14. This time my radius, if my diameter is 8, my radius is 4. And I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm going to pull out my trusty calculator. I take 3.14 times 4 times 4. And I get 50.24 inches squared is the area of the whole pizza. But again, this time you get 2 out of 8 pieces. And we could even look at the fact that that ends up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4 of the pizza, because 2/8 is equal to 1/4. So I can just divide this by 4 then. So I take my calculator, I divide it by 4, and I end up with 12.56 inches squared of pizza. So interestingly enough, I get 2 pieces, but the total area of the pieces is much smaller. So where should I eat lunch? I should eat lunch at Rocco's. And what's the connection here? The connection is that those slices of pizza are taking a sector, because when we take a circle and we divide it up into equal sized pieces, we're creating sectors of the circle. So each of these issues, I found the area of a sector. So a pizza is just one way of looking at this in real life. Go to a mathematician.